Join me as I try to unlock wireless freedom on my Android 11 device. Let's see if I can make it happen. Wireless freedom has become a game changer for mobile users, especially with the advancements in technology. For Android 11 and above devices, this concept takes on a whole new level of importance. Being able to move around without being tethered to a cable enhances not only convenience but also productivity. Wired connections have been a pain point for many users. Imagine being stuck with a cable that limits your movement, forcing you to work or play in a fixed spot. It's frustrating, right? Then there's the issue of tangled cables. It's like they have a mind of their own, knotting up at the most inconvenient times. We've all been there, fumbling through our bags or pockets to find a charger, only to find that the cable is tangled. It's moments like these that make us wish for a wireless world. But it's not just about the hassle, it's also about the limitations. Wired connections can't offer the same level of freedom that wireless technology can. The limitations aren't just about physical movement, they also impact our ability to multitask. Think about it, when you're tied to a cable, you're less likely to walk around while watching a video or listening to music. It's a small thing, but it adds up over time. Let's explore the wireless technologies available for Android devices. Bluetooth is probably the most well-known, allowing us to connect our devices to headphones, speakers, and more. Wi-Fi Direct takes it a step further by enabling devices to connect to each other without the need for a network. Then there's NFC, which, although more limited, offers a simple way to share information between devices. These technologies aren't just about convenience, they significantly enhance the user experience. With Bluetooth, you can listen to music while working out or driving without the distraction of cords. Wi-Fi Direct lets you easily share files between devices, which is a huge time saver. And NFC? It's amazing for quick connections and sharing. There's a game-changing feature that I want to share with you. An app that allows users to maximize their wireless capabilities, making it easier to interact with their devices. This app provides a seamless experience, letting you do more without the hassle of cables. The impact of this feature is significant. It shifts how we think about wireless technology, making it more accessible and user-friendly. No longer are we limited by cables, we're free to move and interact with our devices in a more natural way. With this newfound capability, the possibilities are endless. Whether you're working, playing, or just enjoying your device, wireless freedom offers a level of convenience that's hard to imagine without. The benefits of embracing wireless technology on Android 11 and above devices are clear. You've got more freedom, more convenience, and a more streamlined experience. It's not just about cutting the cord, it's about enhancing your interaction with your device. If you've had any experiences with wireless technology that you'd like to share, please leave a comment below. Also, check out our video on optimizing your device's performance for more tips and tricks to get the most out of your Android device. Wireless Android Auto Adapter, Wireless CarPlay Adapter, latest NFC Touchscreen Connectivity, Wireless Plug-and-Play for Android devices. Compatible devices: smartphone, Android 11 and above, cars with wired Android Auto. Connector type: auxiliary, USB, USB Type-C. Color: silvery. Item dimensions: LXWXH5 by 3.6 by 0.66 inches. Brand: Vlorgel. Style: Android. Perfect adaptation, wireless experience. This adapter is designed to support Android phones, excluding iOS phones. It is compatible with devices featuring Android Auto. Requires Android 11 or above. Newly upgraded NFC touchscreen connection technology. Our adapters feature NFC touchscreen technology for quick and easy pairing. Simply turn on NFC on your Android phone, stick it to the adapter's sensing area and connect easily. This increases driving safety and convenience. Wide range of compatibility. The wireless CarPlay adapter is compatible with over 800+ vehicles, while the Android Auto wireless adapter is suitable for factory-wired Android Auto cars. It instantly connects to convert wired to wireless, allowing you to enjoy the convenience of wireless connectivity. Easy and convenient installation. Our adapters feature a quick connect design, ensuring fast and effortless installation. Users can immediately enjoy the convenience of Android Auto. All operations, including navigation, music playback, and answering phone calls, can be seamlessly performed via a wireless connection, enhancing both driving safety and convenience. Guaranteed after-sales service. The wireless Android Auto adapter is backed by a 12-month comprehensive warranty that covers defects in materials and workmanship. Our customer service team is always available to provide prompt and friendly assistance with installation instructions or troubleshooting, ensuring a smooth and hassle-free experience. The product is suitable for audio applications, not for video applications. 1. The wireless Android Auto adapter is designed for Android phones with Android 11 or above, excluding iOS phones, and supports devices with Android Auto. 2. It features NFC touchscreen technology for quick pairing, enhancing driving safety and convenience. 3. The adapter is compatible with over 800+ vehicles and factory-wired Android Auto cars, converting wired connections to wireless for ease of use. 4. Installation is quick and easy, allowing seamless wireless operation for navigation, music playback, and phone calls, improving driving safety and convenience. 5. The product comes with a 12-month warranty covering defects, and customer service is available for installation and troubleshooting assistance. It is suitable for audio applications only.